In this video, we will compare Wix Studio versus Webflow versus Figma versus Wordpress versus Figma. Which is better? Wix. Wix Studio is perfect for those who want an all-in-one website builder and an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, ideal for many beginners or small businesses looking for a quick, visual appealing site. It offers great templates and customizable elements and hosting, however, it has limited for advanced customization and flexibility. Webflow. Webflow is designed for users who want more design control and customization while still offering a user-friendly interface. It allows for higher creation and responsiveness, which is visually rich website, and its ability to implement custom code. This is only for advanced users. Webflow stands out for its all-powerful CSM and e-commerce features, making it suitable for designers and businesses looking for a robust platform that balances ease of use and creativity. Figma. Figma is newer into the powerful design and prototyping tool to focus on interactivity and is ideal for designers who want to create dynamic and interactive websites in a unique way. While it offers impressive design, flexibility and collaboration features, it's not well known for its extensive CRM or backing functionalities. WordPress. WordPress remains one of the most popular and versatile website platforms, open source environment and limitless customization options through its plugins and themes. WordPress is highly recommended from content-heavy websites, blogs and larger scale projects. However, it requires more time and technical know-how to set up and maintain compared to many other platforms. Finally, Figma. Figma is primarily a design tool used for creating prototypes, designs and collaborative projects. While it's not a website builder like other, Figma allows designers to build websites, then export it and develop into platforms like WordPress. In summary, Wix Studio is best for beginners, Webflow is perfect for designers, Figma is great for interactive design, WordPress is unmatched flexibility, and Figma is ideal for collaborative design work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.